Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to episode 12, I believe, of this 2D platformer game. So what we'll be doing in this one is I am going to create myself new prefabs pretty much for the whole episode. And I am simply going to put material on top of them, maybe change color a little bit, maybe add some background objects to give it some kind of perspective. So I will leave this playing. Pretty much I will be recording while I'm doing this, but I'll be speeding it up because this is going to be different for everybody. If you have 3D models, just go ahead, put that in there, make your level look pretty, but in the end we need some kind of path, we need some kind of, working 2D level. So go ahead and make yourself some new prefab for your game. I really recommend that you use the inspector up here to modify the scale of your object so you can have some really clean, nicely scaled object. Just like this platform over here, which has a nice 2.5 in width and height. So again, just like last time, I will be renaming this, maybe platform. So go ahead and name these however you'd like. I named this one platform, but of course you can name it whatever you'd like depending on what you make. And we are simply going to make bunch of these so we can create a level. So I'll be putting all my prefab inside of a new folder, not a new folder, but I'll rename ground block for say level. Yeah, level. Okay, so my folder level is going to contain pretty much all the gameplay prefab we have. So say ground 1, this is ground 1. Ground 2. Oh, we have some error over here, so let's just go ahead and replace the material we had on ground 2 if you haven't done that yet. So ground 2, this one, is going to take the ground material. Now we hit apply, and the prefab should be fine. Yep. Okay, now we have a platform as well. We might want to give this another color, why not? Let's go ahead and create ourselves a new material. So, material, platform material, which is going to be the same texture as always. So, albedo, this texture, and maybe I should leave it that way. Okay, so I'll be leaving this color over here for the platform, and then I will proceed to completing the rest of my level, creating new prefab and also new materials. Okay, so this is what I've created for the gameplay part. As you can see, they are all on the same z-axis, so my player have access to all of these during the game. If we hit play, then we can actually see that, well, my level is playable, basically. Also remember we have the wall jumps, so this is also accessible. The only one that isn't is my last platform over here, but I'll get back to that a little bit later on. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Just make sure that you have some gameplay in there, because we are going to be implementing gameplay prefab in the next episode. But what I'll do, I'll end up on something else. Actually, I'll end up creating some art prefab, you could say. I am going to create some huge prefab in the background, just like, say, something of the sort. So big stuff in the back, so while we're playing, we can actually have some kind of perspective, and this looks like a, some kind of background, basically. So you don't have to do this. I'll be doing this on my side because I want to have some kind of element in the back, not just have my, my gameplay prefab in the front and then I'm playing my game. I'd like to have some element in the back that also moves, just like this. So I'll go ahead and end this on this note. Again, I will leave the video playing, or actually I will leave the recording going on. Of course, I'll speed it up. But that's about it for this episode, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one where we will tackle some more gameplay prefab to make this game more fun and also more mechanic than just being able to walk, run and jump around, and also wall jump. So guys, thanks again. I'll see you in the next time.